Alright, so I do gotta definitely clean this up still. Like, I should finish. But I'm gonna put this box fan in my window first. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna go clean it out. Wait. Yeah, it's dusty. Alright, quick how-to. How to clean your box fan. Unscrew these screws. Pull this off. Pull this off too. You might have to yank it a little bit, but it comes right off. That's the motor. Don't get that wet. Turn your water on. Oh shit, hold on. Our garden hose is broken. I'll show you real quick. It's okay, we can work with this. Just let the water do all the work. Don't get wet though. Unless you want to get wet. But this water's cold. Once you're done, just shake it off. Two. You could clean the backside off too, but that's just too much work. So we're done. No, we're not done. We gotta put it back together. Also, to make sure, just wipe this off. Don't use a dirty rag though. That one had cat hair all over it. Use a clean one. Just push it right back into place. I'll put the screen back on, line up the holes, and then you just screw it back in. I don't know if this is a necessary step, but I like to go in a star style. I learned that from working on cars. Go here, 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 and then here. Then you just install it in your window. Hold on. Install it in your window. Plug it in. Yeah, come on. Turn it on. And then you enjoy the nice cool breeze. Don't forget to put your tools away, too.